Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use interconnectivity on your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. To enable interconnectivity, first you're gonna have to open Settings on your device, then in Settings open Interconnectivity tab, and then in here you're gonna have to enable Xiaomi Interconnectivity. If you didn't log into your Xiaomi account previously on this device, then you will have to do this right now, since interconnectivity works with other devices, Xiaomi devices, which are also logged into your Xiaomi account. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is enable Xiaomi interconnectivity and then enable some features like Clipboard or call synchronization. Well, the Clipboard feature will let you copy your text on your Redmi Note and paste it on your other devices that are also signed in to your Xiaomi account and are added to the Xiaomi Smart Hub. And the call sync is basically the feature that lets you answer calls on nearby tablets or computers that are signed into your Xiaomi account. Now, speaking of the Xiaomi Smart Hub, this hub is accessible in your quick settings menu right here. And here you can turn on Bluetooth and identify other Xiaomi devices around you to connect them. And now, in order to enable the Xiaomi Fan Hub, if you don't have it enabled, you're gonna have to go to Settings, then in Settings select Notifications and Status Bar, and then navigate down to Control Center and enable Xiaomi Smart Hub right here. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.